Hey everyone, welcome to Nitty Cat Studio. I'm Cheryl, and this is just an update to the Bernette for Bernina Funlock 004D. I did get it up and running, so if you get a chance, watch part 1 and part 2, and you can see the little saga and drama I had getting this thrift store find together. So I'm going to show you really quick that this does work. Here. Right here. So I think it did really well. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Okay, so there it is. I think the yellow could use a little bit of adjustment, but pretty happy with that. Not sure if this part is replaceable or not. If you look down inside, you can see where in the blue it's missing the little stop there. Each of them have like 2 holes. Well, you can see that that is missing. So I'm not sure. I might be able to replace this part or finagle something to keep the blue tension there from kind of sliding off. So, but other than that, I took off the nets. Not sure if that's what helped, but these little nets that were on there, I took those off. I just rethreaded the whole thing again, so we'll see. But I just wanted to update you all, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.